Hello and welcome back to the English Flow podcast. I am your host, Lucas. I am so happy you are here with me today. Today we have a very special episode. We are going to talk about your feelings. Specifically, we will talk about managing negative emotions. This is very important for everyone. We all feel sad sometimes. We all feel angry sometimes. It's part of being human. But we must learn to control these feelings. If you like this topic, please subscribe to the English Flow podcast right now. Click the subscribe button. When you subscribe, you help us make more episodes for you. You will learn English, and you will learn about life. So, are you ready to learn about emotions? Let's start this great lesson together. First, we need to understand what negative emotions are. Negative emotions are feelings like sadness, anger, fear, or jealousy. These feelings do not feel good. They make your body feel heavy. They make your mind feel tired. For example, maybe you lost your job. You feel sad. Maybe someone was rude to you. You feel angry. These are negative emotions. It is okay to feel them. You are a person, not a robot. But you cannot let them stay forever. If sadness stays for a long time, it becomes a problem. We need to know what they are before we can fix them. In English, we have many words for these feelings. Sad, mad, scared, nervous. These are all negative emotions. Recognizing them is the first step. Why do we have these bad feelings? This is a good question. Your brain uses feelings to tell you something. If you touch fire, your hand hurts. The pain tells you to move your hand. Emotions are the same. Fear tells you to be careful. Anger tells you that something is not fair. Sadness tells you that you lost something important. So, do not hate your feelings. They are messages from your brain. They are trying to help you. When you feel bad, ask yourself a question. Ask yourself, why do I feel this way? When you find the answer, you can solve the problem. Understanding the why is very important. It helps you calm down. It helps you think clearly. This is how we start to manage our emotions. The best way to stop a bad emotion quickly is to breathe. Yes, just breathe. It sounds very simple, but it works. When you are angry or scared, your breathing becomes fast. Your heart beats very fast. You need to slow down. Stop what you're doing. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then let the air out through your mouth. Count to 4 again. Do this 5 times or 10 times. Your body will understand that you are safe. Your heart will slow down. Your brain will think better. Breathing is a powerful tool. You can do it anywhere. You can do it at work, at home, or on the bus. always remember to breathe. Another good tip is to name your feeling. Say the word out loud. Say, "I am angry," or "I am sad." When you say the word, the feeling becomes smaller. It is like turning on a light in a dark room. You are not afraid of the dark anymore. In English, this is good vocabulary practice too. Try to find the exact word. Are you angry? Or are you just frustrated? Are you sad? Or are you lonely? There's a difference. When you know the name of the monster, you can fight the monster. Do not hide your feelings inside. Admit them to yourself. Be honest with yourself. This gives you power over the emotion. It puts you back in control of your mind. You must also accept your feelings. Do not fight them. Imagine you are in the ocean. A big wave comes. If you fight the wave, you will get tired. If you swim with the wave, you will be okay. Emotions are like waves. They come and they go. Let the sadness come. Feel it for a little while. Say to yourself, "It is okay to be sad today." When you accept it, the feeling will pass faster. If you try to push it away, it will stay longer. It will come back stronger. So be kind to yourself. Allow yourself to have a bad day. Tomorrow is a new day. The sun will rise again. Your feelings will change. Acceptance is a very strong way to find peace. Talking to a friend is also very helpful. Do not be alone with your negative emotions. Call a friend or a family member. Tell them, "I feel sad today." You do not need them to fix the problem. You just need them to listen. When you share your problem, the problem feels smaller. Humans are social animals. We need other people. We need connection. Maybe your friend has the same problem. Then you will know you are not alone. This makes you feel much better. Practicing English conversation with a friend is also good. You can talk about your day. You can talk about your feelings. Connection heals the heart. Do not isolate yourself when you feel bad. Reach out to someone you trust. Writing is another great tool. You can keep a journal or a diary. Every day, write down your thoughts. Write in English. This is amazing practice. Write, "Today I felt angry because..." Writing takes the thoughts out of your head. It puts them on paper. When you see your thoughts on paper, they look different. They look less scary. You can read them and understand them better. You can write for 5 minutes every morning or every night. It is a quiet time for you. It helps to clear your mind. You do not need to show this writing to anyone. It is private. It is just for you. Try writing today. It is a very healthy habit for your mind. Moving your body changes your emotions. Your mind and your body are connected. If you sit on the chair all day, your energy gets stuck. You need to move. Go for a walk outside. Run in the park. Go to the gym. Dance in your living room. When you exercise, your brain releases good chemicals. These chemicals make you feel happy. You will feel strong. You will forget your worry. You do not need to run a marathon. Just walk for 20 minutes. Look at the trees. Look at the sky. Fresh air is good for you. Movement is medicine. Next time you feel sad, stand up and move. You will be surprised at how much better you feel. Sleep is very important for your emotions. If you are tired, everything feels worse. Small problems feel like big problems when you are tired. You become angry easily. You cry easily. You must get good sleep. Try to sleep for 7 or 8 hours every night. Go to bed at the same time. Wake up at the same time. Make your bedroom dark and quiet. Do not look at your phone before bed. The light from the phone wakes up your brain. If you sleep well, you will be strong. You can handle stress better. Your mind will be calm. Sleep is not a waste of time. It is necessary for a happy life. Prioritize your rest. Food also affects your mood. What do you eat? Do you eat a lot of sugar? Do you drink a lot of coffee? Sugar and caffeine can make you feel anxious. They give you energy, but then you crash. You feel tired and sad. Try to eat healthy food. Eat vegetables and fruits. Eat fish and nuts. Drink a lot of water. Water is very good for your brain. When your body has good fuel, your mind works better. You feel more stable. You do not have big mood swings. Think about your diet. Is it making you happy or sad? Cooking a healthy meal is also a nice activity. It takes your mind off your problems. Take care of your body with good food. Music has a magic power. It can change your mood instantly. If you are sad, do not listen to sad songs. Listen to happy music. Listen to music with a good beat. Listen to music that makes you want to dance. You can also listen to relaxing music. Classical music or nature sounds can calm you down. Music speaks to your emotions directly. It does not need words. But you can also listen to English songs. Sing along with the lyrics. Singing is very good for releasing stress. Make a playlist of songs that make you happy. When you feel a negative emotion coming, press play. Let the music wash away the bad feelings. It is a simple and fun way to manage your mood. Nature is a great healer. We spend too much time inside houses and offices. We look at screens all day. This is not natural. We need to be outside. Go to a park. Go to the forest. Go to the beach. Look at the green trees. Listen to the birds. Feel the wind on your face. Nature is slow and calm. When you are in nature, you slow down too. You realize that your problems are small. The world is big and beautiful. Try to spend time outside every day. Even just sitting on a bench for 10 minutes helps. Breathe the fresh air. Look at the flowers. Connect with the earth. It will bring peace to your heart and mind. Be careful with your phone and social media. Sometimes, social media makes us feel bad. We see pictures of other people. They look perfect. They look happy. We think, my life is not good. This is jealousy and sadness. But remember, social media is not real life. People only show the good parts. They do not show their bad days. If looking at your phone makes you sad, stop looking. Put the phone away. Take a break. Read a book instead. Talk to a real person. Limit your time on social media. Maybe only 30 minutes a day. You will see that your mood improves. You will focus on your own life. Your life is the most important thing. Be kind to yourself. This is called self-compassion. Imagine your friend is sad. What do you say to them? You say nice things. You say, "It is okay. You are doing a great job." But when we are sad, we say mean things to ourselves. We say, "I am stupid. I am weak." Stop doing that. Talk to yourself like you talk to a friend. Be gentle. Forgive yourself for making mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. It is how we learn. Give yourself a hug. Do something nice for yourself. Buy a coffee. Take a hot bath. Watch a funny movie. You deserve kindness. You are doing your best. Love yourself even when you have negative emotions. This is the secret to happiness. Finally, know when to ask for help. Sometimes, negative emotions are too big. We cannot fix them alone. We cannot fix them with breathing or walking. If you feel sad every day for a long time, please ask for help. You can talk to a doctor. You can talk to a professional counselor. This is not a weakness. It is a strength. It means you want to get better. Doctors can help you understand your brain. They have special tools to help you. There is no shame in this. Mental health is just like physical health. If your leg is broken, you go to the doctor. If your heart is broken, you can go to the doctor too. Take care of yourself. Thank you for listening to this long episode of English Flow. We talked about many ways to manage negative emotions. We talked about breathing, talking, moving, and sleeping. We talked about nature and kindness. I hope these tips help you. Remember, you are in control. You can choose to be happy. It takes practice, but you can do it. Please subscribe to the English Flow podcast if you learned something today. Share this episode with a friend who needs it. Keep practicing your English. Keep smiling. I am Lucas, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.